Welcome to the Maryville University Programming with Purpose Student Organization Training Series. Today I'm going to teach you about some of the resources available to you for your off-campus event needs. Sometimes your organization may want to attend events, host meetings or gatherings, or attend conferences off-campus. Maryville supports these opportunities and provides you with some resources and guidelines for sponsoring these programs off-campus. Every student attending an off-campus activity or conference on behalf of a student organization is acting as a representative of Maryville University. To that end, courtesy and respect for others must be demonstrated at all times. Mature professional conduct is expected of every student. The Student Involvement Office prefers that the student organization advisor attend the conference or off-campus event to provide guidance and support to student delegates. It is the responsibility of any students attending an off-campus conference, convention, workshop, or other event to communicate with professors about any missed classes. Maryville University owns several large vans which can be reserved by student organizations for their off-campus programs. Approval through the Public Safety Department is required each academic year in order to drive a university van. A motor vehicle record check will be done prior to granting approval to any driver. It takes approximately 2 weeks to get approval from Public Safety for students, faculty, and staff to become certified to drive Maryville vehicles. To become certified to drive a university vehicle, individuals must fill out a form located at my.maryville.edu, watch a video, and undergo a motor vehicle record check. Drivers of university-owned vehicles must be current employees or students. Family members, former employees, alums, etc. are not permitted to drive university vehicles. All Maryville 12-passenger vans are limited to 10 people, including the driver. If storage space is needed for luggage and/or equipment, then the passenger count may be limited to less than 10 passengers, including the driver. A bus company must be used for transportation for out-of-town trips for athletic teams, student activities, and field trips requiring the use of more than 2 vans. Drivers younger than 19 will not be permitted to drive a university van unless a Maryville employee not younger than 21 is present. Driving time is limited to 4 hours before a rest break must be taken. A backup driver is required on all trips over 6 hours away. A Maryville employee is required to be present on all out-of-town and/or overnight trips. Maryville University does not permit the use of university vans for non-university related events and activities. The use of a trailer hitch is not permitted on any university van being used to transport passengers. Drivers are prohibited from using any handheld electronic device while operating a university vehicle. Failure to return van keys and/or gas credit cards, or returning a dirty van, will result in a $50 fine to the organization that reserved the van. Upon return to campus, vans must be parked in the van parking spots in the McNally House parking lots. Keys must be returned to the physical plant office immediately upon return. Student organizations may reserve vans at my.maryville.edu. Hover over Administrative Services and then Physical Plant. Once there, click Van Use Request. A calendar will appear. Click the start date you would like to begin your reservation. Now click the start time. Now you will fill out the form that appears. You must know the names of your certified drivers and the number of passengers. The number of passengers will determine the number of vans needed. Maryville University has a limited number of vans, so make your reservations early for the best chance of a successful reservation. Congratulations! You now know the important steps and resources for hosting an event off campus. Please visit www.maryville.edu/getinvolved to complete your next training tutorial.